What's up, Towerers? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel of car enthusiasts. Today in front of us is a very special brand, very special car. It is 4-star safety rated for adult protection and 3-star safety rated for child protection. Guys, this is the one and only Renault Triber. Yes, that's right. This is the Triber, the latest 2024 update in front of us. This is the key of the car. Looks very premium, looks very unique. The Renault logo is placed, of course, over here. All right, so this car comes with a host of features, guys. This is the top of the line variant, guys. Let's get started. This is the first ever Renault car that I am reviewing, guys. So first of all, if you're planning on buying a Renault vehicle, and if you're from Kolkata, the address of the showroom will be in the description. The contact details, each and everything will be provided, and you can, of course, reach out here and book your Renault car straight away. Of course, after your test drive. All right. So let's get started, guys. The Triber. What do we have in front of us? We have this big Renault logo finished in chrome over here. Chrome treatment over here on the grill as well. This is finished in matte black. Of course, this is your skid plate treatment. Silver finish है, थोड़ा material लग रहा है इसमें, कुछ type का fabric material लग रहा है. It feels like that. Okay, this is how it is in the front. Okay, this is the chrome treatment over here. This is your wiper washer on the bonnet. This is your regular wipers placed over here. All right. Let me show you the light treatment, guys. This is the light setup of the car, guys. You get yellow lights in this with projector setup over here, halogen setup over here, same story over here, and this is how it looks from the front, guys. आप देख सकते हो, बहुत ही बेसिक सा है, बहुत ही सोबर सा है. Alright, not a very radical design or anything like that. Let's explore what do we have underneath the hood. So guys, this is the story underneath the hood. No hydraulic struts, of course. Insulation आपको मिल जाता है. ये आपका 1 liter NA engine, 3 cylinder, of course. And this is the story here. Neat and clean design. Okay, the bonnet is pretty easy. Okay, and this is the third of the bonnet. All right, so now let's move to the side of the vehicle, guys. You get your rim treatment. These are wheel caps, of course. Steel rims milte hai aapko. Renault logo in between over here, and the size of the tire is 185 65 R 15 inch rims, of course. यहाँ पे wheel cladding है, आप देख सकते हो. It doesn't cover the entire underbody. Then you get a wheel cladding at the rear, guys. Okay, you can see this black treatment over here of the door beads on the front and the rear door. Alright, you get your door handles finished in chrome. No request sensor, keyhole slot, of course, is given. Turn indicators for the ORVM, no blind spot monitoring camera. This is finished in black. Alright, you get roof rails over here which seem functional. You get an old school antenna over there. This car is carrying a radio tower. Look at the size of that antenna. Okay, and no chrome treatment over here on the pillars. You get chrome on the door handle in the rear as well. This is your fuel lid treatment over here, locked heavy, and that's about it from the side, guys. Very simple, very basic. And moving to the rear over here, this is what we get in terms of light treatment. All halogen, no LEDs whatsoever. You get your rear wiper, rear defogger, high mounted stop lamp, rear wiper washer, and of course your slight spoiler treatment over here. Okay, this car comes with no sunroof, guys. Okay, कोई sunroof नहीं है इसमें, you can see. And over here you can see Triber finished in chrome, Renault logo in chrome, Renault written over here as well. You get parking sensors 1, 2 and 3 with the rear parking camera as well, guys. So बहुत कुछ है on offer in this car, guys. And though it is a sub 4 meter, लगता नहीं है sub 4 meter, it looks longer. Okay, the way it is designed. Space management also in this car is pretty good, which we will explore once we get inside the vehicle. So guys, you can fold the seats like this. I think you can detach it also according to this, but which we are not going to do right now. This knob you need to pull so the seats can fold down. You get a 12-watt charging socket over here. Okay, you get seat belts for the third row as well. Okay, you get a 1-inch triangle and everything. All right, and this is what the story is in terms of the boot of the Renault Triber. Let's close the boot. First, let's unfold the seats. All right, pretty easy. And now let's close the boot. Guys, spare wheel is over here. Okay, size unfortunately नहीं दिखा पाऊंगा, but of course मेरे को पता है it's a smaller size. It's a steel rim finished in red. Okay, that's the story of the spare wheel, guys. Coming to the co-driver side, again, the same story. Nothing much to explore. Just look at this. Doesn't look like a sub 4 meter car, guys. Looks longer, don't you think so? The way it is designed and everything. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Wheels 1 inch bigger to और अच्छा होता. They look smaller in my opinion because the wheel arch is huge over here. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get inside the car and we're gonna explore what it has to offer in terms of comfort, convenience, and features. All right, let's go inside straight away. Before we get inside the car, guys, these are certain features that I would like you all to be aware of, okay, as to what they are showcasing over here. You get 625 liters of boot space over here, you get an 8-inch touch unit over here, you get traction control as well, and they are saying it's ultra spacious and ultra modular as well, which of course we'll go and explore inside. आप देख सकते हो adult के terms में it is 4 star and child की safety में it is 3 star. So overall it is a 4 star car in terms of safety when it was tested in Global NCAP. So now what we'll do is we will get inside and explore the details over there. So guys, now we are going to enter the car. Okay, first of all, what do we have in terms of driver functions? You get auto window functions for the front and the second row. You have window locking function over here, your ORVM function as well. So previously this car used to only come with electronically adjustable feature for the ORVMs, but now you can retract it automatically and unretract it as well. Okay, so that has also been added in this 2024 RXZ Triber. All right, you get door handle storage over here, chota sa. You get storage over here. Storage seems pretty big. You get a speaker treatment over here as well. Your doorknob is also finished in silver. Okay, of course it's all hard plastic, hard plastic, hard plastic. आप देख सकते हो. And seats are finished in a very ऐसे लग रहा है यूनिफॉर्म पहना हुआ है इसने स्कूल का. So these are fabric seats. Okay, and seat designs a little different in my opinion. Okay, now you get an armrest also. पहले ये नहीं आता था guys in the driver. You get an armrest, a dedicated driver armrest only. Okay, which is it does the job. Okay, it's a fabric driver armrest. It's comfortable enough. Okay, and this is how your steering wheel treatment is. No leather wrap, no fabric wrap, no cover whatsoever. We're going to close the door. The door third is good enough in my opinion. Over here you get a 7-inch display also, which is another addition in the 2024 variant, which is new. We will start the car. The push start stop button is over here. एक soft start करते हैं, and that is a display as you can see. देख लो, it's a very nice digital display guys. ये Kiger में भी आता है. They have added in the Triber also, Kiger Triber. Okay, and let's see what do you have in terms of steering motor control. This is your track change, volume up and down, voice command called accept and decline button. ये है आपका average. This is your trip A. Chalo, good, we are able to show you now. You have TPMS function also now in this. This is your service interval. You got dimming control, take a break, and that's it guys. Average है यही है. This is what we have in terms of the MID display. So you've got take a break function as well guys. This is what it is in terms of MID, what you have in terms of data and display, and it looks pretty decent in my opinion guys. This is your touchscreen unit, which is an 8-inch setup, 20.32 centimeters, which we explored on the feature list that was given outside. So you have your rear defogger over here, you have your hazard light function over here, you have your locking the car traction control button over here. Okay, let's explore the touch unit guys. ये कुछ आपको इंफॉर्मेशन है यहाँ पे, एंड यू गॉट ड्राइविंग इको 2. ओके, ट्रिप रिपोर्ट में आपको ये एवरेज कंजम्पशन, स्पीड एंड डिस्टेंस विदाउट कंजम्पशन मिल जाता है. व्हाट इज द इको स्कोर, व्हाट इज द इको कोचिंग टू इम्प्रूव व्हाट योर फ्यूल इकोनॉमी, व्हाट यू नीड टू डू. Acceleration, your acceleration drive speeds are steady, your gear change is very efficient, you are taking full advantage of your car's inertia. So you know all this data is also present, and it's telling you how you're driving and how your car is responding. Okay, this is your settings menu for your volume, this is for your display, this is for your connectivity, and this is for your system. All right, so this is the home screen guys. बहुत ही basic सा touch screen है guys. This is your media outlet. Now you can listen to music with inline auxiliary aux का system भी है इसमें. ये radio है आपका, बहुत ही basic है. There's nothing much to explore. This is to switch off and switch on. This is the volume function, of course. All right, so we're just gonna switch it off, and this is the story of the touchscreen unit, guys. Okay, knobs and buttons for the AC. I really like this design, guys. This looks really good and really modern and upmarket in my opinion. What do you guys think of the design of the AC? Do let me know, guys. Okay, over here you get a wireless charging pad also, guys, which is new again in this particular variant. All right, as we were told, this is a new edition as well. You get a USB A socket charging over here also. All right, you can switch off your wireless charging with the button over here and switch it on like this. All right, you get a 5-speed manual gearbox, guys. Pretty basic, nice gearbox design, very unique. In terms of storage, you get the cup holder storage over here, which is decent enough. This some storage over here also. This is a cool function over here, guys. All right, you can store your beverages over here, and you'll get cooling function over here. And this is the cooling setting 1, 2 and 3 kitna आप cool करना चाहते हो. This is your glove box, guys. This is how it is. It's not lit up nor is it cooled. Cool glove box already आपको यहाँ दे दिया है. Okay, and ये कुछ system है ऊपर का, तो you get 2, ये डबल डेकर सिस्टम है ग्लव बॉक्स का यहाँ पे. सो यहाँ पे भी आपको मिल जाता है, डैश से निकल जाता है. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो अ ग्लव बॉक्स दैट यू हैव. सो लॉट ऑफ स्टोरेज, लॉट ऑफ practicality in this car. This car comes with 4 airbags standard, guys. Okay, not 6 like in most of the vehicles nowadays, but I think Renault will change that pretty soon. Okay, you get a manually dimming ORVM, मैंने दिखा दिया है. You get your LED light function over here, white light मिलता है. You get your vanity mirror, no vanity light, no vanity mirror, no ticket holder of any kind whatsoever. This is how your grab handle treatment is, guys. ये foldable वाला नहीं है. Okay, and that's the story, guys. This is the AC setup. As you can see, it looks modern enough for me in my opinion. What are your thoughts, guys? You can let me know in the comments. Take a look at the dash over here. Let me know your thoughts about the design, what Renault could have done better. Now without further delay, let's get in the second row and see what do we have on offer over there. Entering the second row, guys, enter करने से पहले दिखा दूँ, this is how wide the door opens, which is pretty wide in my opinion. Okay, of course it's not 90 degree, but it's wide enough. Okay, आप आराम से अंदर घुस सकते हो. And entering is very easy, and it is a very spacious car, guys. बहुत ही चौड़ी गाड़ी है, guys. So यहाँ पे you get your seat pockets over here and over here. In terms of storage, it is seeming to be very practical. You get storage over there as well, of course. 1 speaker, 2 speaker, 4 speakers in total. Your AC vent is on the pillars over here. That side as well, it comes with twin AC. All right, you also get AC vents over here. Okay, we will explore the third row once we're done with the second row, of course. See, these are not adjustable headrests, guys. These are fixed for the driver and the co-driver, but you get adjustable headrests for the rear passenger. Okay, this is of course not your armrest treatment. यहाँ पे दो ही headrests मिलते हैं, but this is also foldable, guys. 60-40 split है, so you can increase the boot carrying capacity very easily, guys. So that's pretty neat. Okay, and it gets a 3-point seat belt. And over here leg space की बात करें तो that's up to my driving position. The seat over here, look at the leg room. My god, look at the foot room. It is amazing. And under thigh support could have of course obviously been better. Okay, कितना gap आप देख ही रहे हो, but the knee room and the foot room is really good, guys. It's really good. I'm very impressed with the amount of space this car is offering, even though it being a sub 4-meter vehicle. So well done, Renault. Okay, in terms of space management, of course. All right, and let me show you the headroom, guys. So guys, I'm sitting very relaxed. थोड़ा सा और upright में बैठ सकता हूँ. Let me just pull this up. And this is my proper relaxed position, and look at the headroom. I mean, look at that. So much headroom this car has to offer. I mean, safety, space, features, turbocharged engine तो और अच्छा होता. There's a lot going on for this car. All right, so without any further delay, now let's get to the third row and see what do we have in terms of space offering over there. So guys, entering the rear, we were talking about space management for the Renault. Just check this out. You can slide the seat forward. Okay, you have to use this knob. It tumbles. Okay, or you know, it won't go fully forward. आपको आगे का सीट भी आगे करना पड़ेगा थोड़ा to get some space at the rear, of course. We're just gonna enter, okay, and see the space management. देखो सीट of course मैंने आगे की है. Okay, and उसको मैं पूरा. Oh guys, I'm in a very risky situation. वो एक लाइक तो बनते ही है guys. देखो, we have to go through so many risky situations. So please do like and support and subscribe to the channel, guys. Let's get to the video. As you can see, I have of course slid the seat a little bit forward, but I'm still not very comfortable. But see, I'm a broad guy and I'm 6 feet tall also. So उसके हिसाब से यार, I completely understand the space is not going to be that much. Okay, but I believe a person who's 5 feet 6, 5 feet 7 will be fairly more comfortable than me for sure. Okay, because it is compact, in my opinion, for a guy my size, of course, and of course for people taller than me and broader than me. The rear space will be a little difficult. Okay, it is for people who are average sized, and of course it is best for kids. Okay, because ऐसे देखो तो breadth बहुत है. ठीक है, so that is one thing that is good in this car, but of course you cannot expect a lot of space for people of my size. Okay, that is asking for too much. All right. So but still it's pretty good. I'm really impressed with the space management that Renault Triber has to offer, and of course you get AC vents for the third row also, which will of course make it less suffocating. And आप देख रहे हो बहुत ही airy interior है. The color scheme makes the interior very airy. You get two adjustable headrests, okay, for the third row. And that's about it, guys. This is the story of the third row of the Renault Triber, guys. This is the full story of the car. Let's get outside and conclude the video. So guys, अभी हम निकले हैं बाहर. Before you conclude, just wanted to show you, we have pushed that seat forward. Okay, slid it forward completely, not completely but a little bit forward, of course. Now this has folded. Now you can see it is easy to enter. So you have to, slide that seat forward, then you slide this seat forward, then only you can get inside if you are of course my size. Okay, so this is one thing I wanted to share with you guys. But anyway, space management तो उसमें बहुत ही अच्छा है in terms of first and second row. Third row भी ठीक ठाक ही है. All right, anyway, let's conclude the video now, guys. So guys, this was my video of the Renault Triber RXZ, the topmost variant of this car. Okay, so this car comes in a dual tone version as well, guys. So अब मैं आपको ex showroom prices बताऊंगा दोनों गाड़ियों की. ठीक है, dual tone version में कुछ भी different नहीं है. It is just that you get a dual tone finish. That's it. The features and offerings are still the same. Okay, so the ex showroom price of this variant, which is a single tone variant, is 8,22,500 rupees, and the dual tone variant is 8,45,000 rupees, guys. So this is the difference. But guys, in my opinion, at this price point, the offerings that this car has is amazing. The space, the ground clearance of the vehicle, the width of the vehicle, the road presence, and it is a sub 4 meter car. आपको देख के लगेगा ही नहीं कि ये 4 meters से कम है, guys. It is a very well balanced and well designed vehicle for the Indian market, in my opinion. So, and plus it has a safety rating of 4 stars. All right, so this is something to definitely consider, guys, when you are looking for a sub 4 meter car, which will give you a little bit more of an SUV-ish feel or an MPV-ish feel. Okay, थोड़ा आपको बड़ा गाड़ी वाला feel चाहिए, तो definitely, guys, you can try out the Renault Triber. Come here, check it out. And I believe the top variant is also a very value for money variant with the features and offerings that you are getting, which is, commendable. Okay, and the space management in this car is of course amazing. Okay, इसकी बहुत सारी भलाई कर रहा हूँ मैं, because it is well made vehicle. All right, and this is what it is, guys, the Renault Triber, which I have displayed in front of you. If you have any thoughts, suggestions, concerns, what Renault could have done better, if this car is a yes for you or a no for you, let me know your thoughts in the comments section, and we will of course have a conversation there. Let's keep it clean and friendly. Sabko opinions share karne ka hak hai, guys, so do leave your opinions down below and do let me know what you guys think of this vehicle, and I will catch you all in the next one. Till then, take care and stay safe to our whatever's. Bye bye.